guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about hair. Now I have bought to you Godrej Professionals shampoo, their mask, and the best part which I love is the argan oil. Nourish Shine Argan Oil for glossy nourished hair, because argan oil can make your hair, your dead hair alive. The keratin rich mask is a protein boost for your hair. It's for normal to dry hair. Like I have dry hair, I never do any keratin treatment and all, but I do try products which will make my hair like normally straight or little straight. That's absolutely fine for me. So now this is keratin infused, so make your hair very manageable. Now the keratin rich shampoo, it is again the protein boost for normal to dry skin, keratin infused. So this is the pair. Now first let's talk about the packaging. Guys, can you just see this packaging? ये इतनी सुंदर packaging है. I am like in love. They look so beautiful. The packaging is very good. This is the cap one, the mask. This is the tap button. वो ऐसे open होता है. Very safe to use. Very good bottles. Good packaging. Sturdy packaging. Talking about the argan oil. Argan oil also, it has a cap. It has a pump. These products are specially designed for Indian structured hair. It is very safe if you have colored your hair, so it is amazing for colored hair too. Our hair strands are made with 91% of protein, which is called keratin, जो हमारे बालों को strength देता है, जो हमारे बालों को जो हमारा structure है वो देता है, जो 91% protein है. इसीलिए keratin is very important for your hair care and the growth. Now a regular use of shampoo, which is Godrej Professional Keratin Rich Shampoo, a boost of such keratin will make your hair strong, supple and shiny, which is amazing. Now talking about the mask. Now this mask is again a keratin boost. Now the same is with the mask. So the mask is, oh my god, look at this. It's light bluish color, which looks amazing. Oh my god, the fragrance is beautiful. A little like strong for people who cannot, but for me it's okay. I like little strong smells. So I was saying the same as with the mask. It gives your hair, the hair strands, the boost of keratin that it needs for its hair care and for its growth and for the shine and your hair to be smooth, supple, and definitely it will make your hair very strong. So I have a complete demo on how I'm going to use all these products in further of this video. So these three are like a complete hair care routine, because these are the essential product: a shampoo, mask and a serum. Talk about this argan oil before I start my demo. Now if you know that argan oil is called the liquid gold for many reasons, because it is packed with vitamin E and so many good things that will make your hair beautiful. It is very good for hair styling. You know, जब हम style करते हैं hair, आप उसके लिए इसको use कर सकते हो. And now when you use this, the keratin in your hair gets very well nourished with argan oil, giving your hair the beautiful shine and structure, which you can, you know, it's very good to have beautiful hair. And I'm going to show you. Look at my hair right now, they're so dry, and when I use these products, ended up with this. And then I'm also going to straighten my hair using this. You'll see the shine that is gonna happen, so keep on watching. So guys, my hair look really soft and they are towel dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section them into two parts. And coming to the last part of this hair care routine, it makes your hair smooth. And this is how the texture looks like. It's pretty thick. Now all you have to do is you have to apply this on your mid strands and your ends. Okay, very important. This is the most important part. And I would also do little over here, but just very little. So I use a brush, but I'm not getting my brush. I just ordered and I'm not getting, so I'm using my comb. So I'll just run the comb through my hair. So guys, I had actually thought that I will do straightening and show you, like, when you use this argan oil, it is good for you as like hair protecting serum, but I think I don't need that anymore. Yes guys, look at my hair. Although they will not be straight as a smoothing, but they're quite straight and I really like it. And now Saib is in the room, so this is all I want to say about these products. So yes guys, these products for your hair care is amazing. Protein boost in this, which helps your hair strand to get all the goodness of that keratin which is already present. The boost protein helps your hair be like soft and beautiful, and the argan oil is definitely adding little shine, but with regular use I'm sure that you're going to find really great results. Guys, they have different variants in Godrej Professional range, which are amazing. Here are the different ones, and I am really looking forward to try the honey one, and if I do, I definitely will make a video. Yes, that's all in this video. I hope you like this video, and happy Diwali. My vlogs are up. I hope you like them, and yes, a very happy Diwali to you. You take care and you be stylish. Bye guys. Can you see my hair? Can you see? This is like no straightening. I was planning to do straightening while using this one, but I did not, because this has given me amazing results. And although they are wavy because I do plait, but then just look at my hair. They are soft, they're smooth.